friends a couple weeks ago, and we would just go from place to place, and I would just sketch whatever I saw. There's negative space, where the positive space is not what you draw. You go around it.
Do you use a number 2 pencil?
It was a number 3, I think, 3 or 4. But
which is the softest?
The higher the number, the softer it is.
Okay.
So like a 6. This might be a 6. Doesn't even say on there. But so I'll just find things and draw them. And classic artist, the other half of the book's upside down. People, you know, whatever I come across, some look terrible and some look okay and some look good, and some will make it into a painting. So this one, that one right there, became this painting here.
Wow.
And you know, and I've never painted a perfect picture. That's why I'm going to paint again today for you. I always say if I paint the